Bernardone's Family Pizzeria? Sure, what would you like? See our kitchen over here? It's all homemade, everything's from scratch. See how clean it is? Normally when you look in a kitchen, you got steel doors, they don't show you what's going on behind there. See those two wood-fired brick ovens? That's real wood that we cook with for our pizza. That's flours imported from Naples, Italy. We make our dough fresh daily. All our sauces are homemade. So you wanted lasagna, and what would you like, ma'am? Okay, you want the pasta primavera.
I always get the Hawaiian.
My favorite thing to eat here at Bernardone's is the tortellino pasta.
We get the chicken parmesan. She gets an ice cream afterwards. And the Italian cream sodas.
My favorite is whatever's on special that day.
This is our pasta primavera. See all the fresh vegetables? We do everything from scratch. Farfalle rustica with chicken, shrimp, sun-dried tomato, prosciutto, and mushrooms in a cream sauce.
I love to come to Bernardone's. My favorite thing here is the pizza and the Mediterranean pizza. It's awesome. The service is great. The atmosphere is friendly. It's a family place.
Say cheese.
I love Bernardone's.
Great food.
We love Bernardone's.
The only Italian food in Farmington.
Would you like to pick it up through the drive-thru? Okay, very good. $14.95. Could I have a name and a phone number, please? Danielle? And that'll be ready for you in about 15 minutes. This is both to go and they're both together. Hey, Mr. Briones, how are you? Nice to see you.
I hope I win the free pizza this week.